What is up guys, Adesh here. Today I've got you here to show some amazing things to you so that you can do it with your rooted smartphone. Because these apps can automate and customize your phone. So why to wait? Let's get started. Starting off with the app Quick Reboot, which is a simple application to use and it is used for an easiness to access, recovery, download and save mode of your phone without any complications of different kind of combination buttons for different phones. With just an instant click, you can go to your custom recovery, as here I am having TWRP recovery. If needed, you can go and do a quick refresh of your device in just a click, as it closes all background processes, or do a hot reboot for restarting all softwares.
Here we go.
Next up is Greenify, which is a very common application in the rooted phones app list, as it is an auto hibernation app. Who don't like an application who works to close down other third-party apps to go off and save battery? First of all, it just asks you to grant permissions and it gets started, as it freezes down the apps after its whole usage when the screen goes off. It also shows you the time when you used those apps and what were running in them. Next up is Roam Toolbox Lite. It is a highly customizable app for rooted smartphones because its UI isn't much attractive and has got you three powerful things, which are tools, performance, and interface. It has a lot of configurations such as you can change fonts, boot animations, icons, DNS changes, memory managers, etc. Starting with interface, which allows you to install a lot different kinds of fonts, boot animations, and themes. Moving on with the performance is that you can underclock and overclock your CPU and do kernel tweaks. Lastly, coming down with the tools, where that it has a tab for installing new ROM, converting third-party applications to system apps, add blockings, and do many more things. Be aware while you use this app, because without knowing a particular thing, don't just play around the settings, as it might break your phone. Next up is Macrodroid. It is an automation application on Android which can be used without an root access to. So while getting started, you can get to see many tiles such as macros, templates, settings, add macros, etc. At first it seems to be very complicated, and while you do it on, you'll get it find as very easy as possible. With this app, you can automate tasks. You can get started with the templates in the app itself and then try out to make your own macros by adding triggers, actions, and constraints accordingly, and then set up a task which is to be done. So guys, this video is pretty much it. And if you have any doubts regarding the usage of these apps, or need a separate video on using these particular apps such as Roam Toolbox Lite, Macrodroid, etc., then just comment down below and we'll try to get it in the next video. So till then, this is Adesh signing off.